2 months ago, someone published a drawing book on Amazon. Today, they're making $300 daily from that one book. I reverse engineered exactly how they made it using free AI. And I'm about to show you their entire process, plus 9 other ways people are quietly earning $700 to $3,000 per day with Google's Nano Banana AI. Let's go. Method number 1, learn to draw books. This book launched 2 months ago. Simple concept, popular objects broken into shapes kids can follow. I ran the bestseller rank through a sales estimator. Result? 23.29 copies daily. That's $250, $300 in daily sales from one book. But wait, this creator launched 3 books the same day. Combined daily sales, $711, $800 from books published 60 days ago. Here's how to make one yourself. Open Gemini, select Nano Banana Pro, currently free for 1 month. Upload a reference image showing the style you want. I asked for a smiling goldfish. Then prompt, turn this into a 6-step learn to draw tutorial. Download your images, drop them into Canva, upload the PDF to Amazon KDP. They print and ship each order. You keep the profit, set and forget. Method number 2, scavenger hunt books. Same system, different format. These books pack pages with hidden objects for kids to find. This one, selling 5,000, 9,000 copies monthly. And it's just one of 30+ books this author published. Making these with Nano Banana is stupid simple. Prompt, create a large, colorful 2-page spread with hidden animals. Make tweaks if needed. Download it. Upload to Canva. Add your Can You Spot panel. Upload back to Nano Banana with the panel placement. Prompt, replace this rectangle with a search panel showing these 5 animals. Done. 3 minutes total. Upload to KDP, passive income. Method number 3, book cover design. People pay $200, $500 for custom book covers. This Fiverr agency has 14 orders queued at $225 average. That's over $2,500 in their pipeline. Nano Banana creates professional book covers in seconds. Give it your title, author name, and style details. It generates options. Don't like something? Tell it what to change. Want a 3D mock-up for marketing? Start a new chat, upload your 2D cover, ask for a 3D book mock-up. Nano handles it. Freelancers are charging hundreds. Your cost, 0. Method number 4, brand identity kits. Tell Nano Banana what business you're branding. Request logos, favicons, color palettes. It creates a complete brand kit. This Fiverr designer sells brand kits with 3D mock-ups for $150. They have 58 orders queued. Do the math. Whether you're branding your own business or selling this service, Nano Banana does the heavy lifting for free. Method number 5, AI animation videos. This is where things get wild. This YouTube Shorts channel creates AI time-lapse animations. One video, 59 million views in 9 days. Total views last month, 300 million. Creators report earning about 20 cents per 1,000 views on Shorts. That's $60,000 monthly potential from one channel. Here's the process. You need 2 tools, Nano Banana and Kling AI Animator. Create an empty room in Nano Banana, download it, start a new chat. Upload that image and ask Nano to add black stones to the floor. Download both images. Open Kling. Upload the empty room as frame 1. The stone floor as the final frame. Prompt, smooth time-lapse showing workers adding black stones. Kling generates the animation. Cost, 25 credits per clip. Repeat the process. Take the stone floor image. Ask Nano to add epoxy coating. Upload both frames to Kling. Prompt, time-lapse of workers adding epoxy and it drying. Final clip. Ask Nano to add furniture to the epoxied room. Upload to Kling. Prompt, workers adding furniture in smooth time-lapse. Combine all clips in any video editor. Speed them up. Total cost for this video, 75 Kling credits. With their 50% bonus promo using a referral code, the $7 plan gives you 990 credits. That's 13 videos for 54 cents each. Professional animators charge $200 to $500 for videos like this. Method number 6, Instagram lead generation. Same animations, different platform. This Instagram account posts renovation time lapses as reels. One video, 4.8 million views in 1 month. Check their story. There's a phone number for home renovation consultations. They're collecting leads from people wanting luxury renovations, then selling those leads to local renovation companies. No products to sell, just viral content driving warm leads. Phone numbers are worth $50 to $200 each in the home renovation space. Method number 7, specialized animation services. Don't start a general animation agency, pick a niche. This Fiverr animator specializes in animated Spotify or covers for musicians. 4 orders queued at $60 each. That's $200 today. Same Nano banana frame-to-frame technique, but they're the go-to expert for one specific customer type. Less competition, higher perceived value. Method number 8, print-on-demand products. This is my personal method. I create designs with Nano Banana, upload them to print-on-demand products, and sell them on Etsy and Amazon. Check this out. This cat-eating ramen t-shirt, 4,000 sales this month on Amazon. At $25 per shirt, that's $80,000, $100,000 in monthly sales. From one design, that's $2,600, $3,200 daily. From a cat eating noodles, here's the system. Use Nano Banana to create your design. Sign up for Printify or Printful, both free. Upload your design onto blank products like t-shirts or mugs. List on Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify with markup pricing. When someone buys, Printify prints and ships automatically. Method number 9, custom. Print on demand. Custom products require more work but have insane demand. This custom t-shirt got 259 sales in 24 hours. At $26 average, that's $6,700 in 1 day. Popular custom products right now, pet portraits. Turn someone's dog into royalty, an astronaut, a hockey player. Process, create a reference image in Nano Banana showing your style, maybe a royal portrait template. When a customer orders, start a new chat. Upload your template plus their pet photo. Prompt, replace the head with this dog, matching the style perfectly. Method number 10, digital printable downloads. Same custom concept, but customers print it themselves. Lower price point, but instant delivery means less work. Custom anime. Portraits? 6 sales in 24 hours. Pixar-style portraits? 25 sales yesterday. These are digital files. Create once, sell infinitely. Upload a photo to Nano Banana. Prompt, turn this into chibi anime style, or create a Pixar-style portrait. Download the result. Upload to Etsy as a digital product. No printing, no shipping, no inventory. Pure profit margins. 10 methods, all using the same free tool. The only real limitation? Your imagination. Don't just copy the popular listings everyone's already doing. Find underserved niches, create something new. That's where the real money is hiding. Next video breaks down even more AI money making. Methods you haven't heard about yet. Click to watch it now.